Hello students, let us discuss physical properties of group 14 elements. Here first we have the electronic configuration. Now if you see the electronic configuration here, as you know very well, valence shell electronic configuration here for 14th group elements we have NS2, NP2. Now if you see here along with the noble gas core, okay, we have the valence shell electronic configuration NS2, NP2. Again here you can see for germanium we have 3d electrons, for tin 4d 10 electrons, for lead we have the 4f and 5d 10 electrons. Okay, so this is about the one electronic configuration. Now here we have the covalent radius. Why? Because they have the covalent nature more. Okay, the covalent nature, what covalent radius increases considerably from carbon to silicon. Here you can see the carbon to silicon, it is going to be increases. Okay, from silicon to lead, here there is a small increase in radius because of presence of completely filled d and f orbitals in heavier members. Here if you see there is an increase, okay, but here what happened from silicon to after that, here if you see increase is there but not that much of. Why? Because means as already we came to know, there we have completely filled and d and f orbitals. Here you can see, okay, from germanium, tin, lead onwards, what happened here, we have the d orbitals. In case lead we have the what f and d orbitals. Because of that reason there is an increase but not that much. Why? Because means post screening effect of d and f orbitals, they will pull the outermost electron towards it, so size is going to be not that much of what not that much of going to increase. Here you can see the covalent radius increasing order. Now if you see the ionization enthalpy here, ionization enthalpy decreases down the group but not regularly. Okay, it's as you know very well, it's going to decrease but not that much of regularly. A small decrease in ionization enthalpy from silicon to germanium, germanium to tin, and a slight increase here if you see. So here the values you can see here from what silicon to germanium, here silicon to germanium, germanium to here, what happened, there is a decrease in values. Okay, then fine, but what happened from tin to lead, there is an increase in value. Why? Because means here the consequence of poor shielding effect of intervening d and f orbitals and increase in size of the atom. Here what happened, so as you know very well, there is a what we have the here in this case lead, we have the d and f orbitals are there, they have the post screening effect. Because of that reason, what happened, the outermost electron attracted by the nucleus more, so their size will be going to be decreases. Here we have the first ionization potential, second, third, fourth order is there. Okay, just for sake of convenient I made this one, so you no need to remember much this. Here electronegativity, group 14 elements are slightly more electronegative because of this size is smaller than the group 13 elements. So as you know very well, from the left to right what happened, the 13th 14th group means here we have 13 14 15 groups, so size is less, so because of that reason electronegativity is more. The electronegative values for elements from silicon to lead almost same. Here you can see the values. Carbon having the 2.5, but after the silicon, germanium, tin, lead, almost you can see 1.5, 1.8, 1.8, 1.9. So this is the order. So carbon having the most electronegative element in the 14th group. Now if you see the density, this is the density. Okay, order, next melting point decreasing order, boiling point decreasing order, and electrical resistivity. Okay, here what is electrical resistivity means, it is opposite to what, conductance. Conductance means what, flow of electron, but resistivity means what, there is a difficult to pass the electricity, that is called resistance. Here the electrical resistance of an electrical conductor is a measure of the difficulty to pass the electric current through that conductor. Means it is a it's not that much of easy to pass the electron through the what because of resistivity. That nature is called resistivity. The inverse quantity is a electrical conductance, as I told now. So resistivity and conductance both are opposite. It is a flow, it's going to flow the electron but not the resistivity. And is the ease of with which electrical current is passed, means Here electrical current is going to pass. It is what? Difficult to pass for the case of resistivity. Here you can see carbon is going to having the more electrical conductance. Now here if you see the physically all are solids. Okay. So here melting point, boiling point of group 14 elements are much more higher than that of the what? Group 13 elements. In the here if you see carbon is a non-metal, silicon, germanium is a what? Metalloid, tin lead is a what? Soft metals.